Good morning, students. Today we'll do question 18, page 6.100. Yes, open page 6.100, question 18. Yes, in this question, ABC are three partners with their ratio 4:3:3. They decided to dissolve the partnership firm at the date of dissolution. The creditors amounted to rupees 16,800, and the course of dissolution, a contingent liability of rupees 3,500 not brought into the accounts matured and had to be met. Their capital stood at rupees 12,000, 10,000, 8,000. B had lent to the firm in addition to capital rupees 13,200. Assets realized rupees 45,670. And we have to prepare realization account, partners capital account, and also show the bank account. Students, at the time of dissolution हमें बैलेंस शीट चाहिए होती है. अगर वो बैलेंस शीट गिवन नहीं है तो हमें सबसे पहले बैलेंस शीट प्रिपेयर करनी होगी. डिसोल्यूशन के समय पर बैलेंस शीट क्या है हमारे पास, अगर नहीं गिवन तो हमें पहले वो बनाना है. सो बैलेंस शीट एट द टाइम ऑफ डिसोल्यूशन इज नॉट गिवन, देन वी हैव टू मेक फर्स्ट बैलेंस शीट एट द टाइम. सो फर्स्ट मेक द बैलेंस शीट. Yes, it is given the question that creditors amounted to rupees 16,800 and B's loan, that is 13,200. And capitals are given for A 12,000, B 10,000, C 8,000. On this side, assets are not given, so we have to make the balancing figure as assets. Balance this, make the total of this. The total comes 60,000. So the balancing figure in asset side is 60,000. This is the sundry assets. This is balancing figure of balance sheet. Now, after making this balance sheet, we have to start realization account. As we had done earlier in the last question, previous video, first we have to make now realization account. This is realization account. In this, students, put first of all the assets here. Assets, sundry assets are given just. So put here two sundry assets, rupees 60,000. On this side we have to put all liabilities, third party liabilities. By creditors, 16,800. By bank, liabilities are only this one. So realize these assets and its realization value is given in the question. ये 60,000 रुपीज़ की जो assets है इसको realize करके हमें जो amount receive हुई that is given in the question 45,670. So put here 45,670 by bank. This is assets realized. 45,670. Now 16,800 ये creditors, इनकी हमने पेमेंट की टू, this is to bank. Creditors paid off. 16,800. and there is contingent liability of rupees 3500. So it is also paid to bank 3500. This is contingent liability. At the last, make the total of this debit and credit side. The total of, in this question, the total of debit side is more, so make it total. This is 80,300. Now come to credit side. This is the loss occur in this realization account. लॉस अमाउंटेड टू रुपीज़ कितना होगा 80,300 में से हमें ये दो वैल्यूज सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, देन वील गेट द लॉस दैट इज 17,830. 17,830, दिस इज द लॉस एंड दिस बी ट्रांसफर टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. बाय लॉस ट्रांसफर टू पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. A is capital, B is and C is capital. Their ratio is given in the question, that is 4:3:3. So divide this 17,830 into 4:3:3. We'll get the value 7132. For B is 5349. Same for the C, 5349. So debit the A, B and C's capital by these amounts. This is the loss occurred in the realization account. After this, we have to make partners loan account. Partners loan account, that is loan of B is given here. B is a partner. Loan is 13,200. So make partners loan account, means B's loan account. In this, by balance brought down 13,200. By balance brought down 13,200, and its payment is made. So put here entry to bank account. ये हमने इस लोन की पेमेंट कर दी to bank account 13,200. In this way, this loan account be completed. ये loan account complete हो गया, पूरा हो गया. और इसके बाद अब हमें बनाना है, वी हैव टू मेक पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट. Partners capital account. This is for A, B and C debit side, sorry credit side. This one, come to this. This is debit side for A, B and C partners. Yes, in this capital account, first of all put their balance brought down, balances of partners as it is in the balance sheet we have already made. First put that balances, also it is given in the question for A, B and C 12,000, 10,000 and 8,000. After this, transfer the loss occurs in realization account. So transfer that loss in their partners capital account to realization account. Loss for A, that is 7132, loss for B, that is 5349, and the same for C also 5349. This loss is divided between the A, B and C three partners in their ratio 4:3:3. So आफ्टर दिस अब हमें पेमेंट करनी है, पहले बैलेंसिंग करेंगे हम. फर्स्ट मेक द बैलेंस ऑफ द कैपिटल अकाउंट. 12,000, 10,000 and 8,000 total of credit side also put here. Make the balances comes, these are the credit balances comes in partners capital account. 4868. For the B it is 4651 and for C it is 2651. These are the balances of partners capital account. ये क्रेडिट बैलेंस है पार्टनर्स की, जो अब हम एट द टाइम ऑफ डिसोल्यूशन को पे ऑफ करेंगे टू बैंक अकाउंट. ये इनको अपने पेमेंट करनी है. इस तरह से कैपिटल अकाउंट पार्टनर्स का कंप्लीट हुआ. देन आफ्टर नाउ वी आर मेकिंग बैंक अकाउंट एट द लास्ट. This is debit side, credit side of the bank account. First, जो एसेट्स हमने रियलाइज़ की, जो हमने एसेट्स को सेल आउट किया था, हमारे पास एसेट्स जो सन्ड्री एसेट्स हमने जब बैलेंस शीट बनाया तो वहाँ से हमारे पास सन्ड्री एसेट्स आए 60,000 रुपीज़. उसको हमने रियलाइज़ किया. दैट वैल्यू इज़ ऑल्सो गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन इज़ 45,670. सो पुट हियर दैट रियलाइज वैल्यू ऑफ 45,670 जो हमें ये पैसा रिसीव हुआ. $45,670 ये अमाउंट हमारे पास रिसीव हुई हमें. दिस इज एसेट्स रियलाइज्ड और वी कैन से एसेट्स सेल आउट. देन आफ्टर अब हमें जो जो पेमेंट्स किए हैं, वट एवर द पेमेंट्स वी हैव मेड, नंबर फर्स्ट सी बाय रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट वी हैड पेड कंटीजेंट लायबिलिटी. हमने कंटीजेंट लायबिलिटी पे की है 3,500 कंटीजेंट लायबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट देन वी पेड क्रेडिटर्स की हमने पेमेंट की 16,800. दैट ऑल्सो कम्स हियर बाय रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट 16,800. दिस इज क्रेडिटर्स पेड ऑफ. नेक्स्ट फिर हमने तीनों पार्टनर्स को ये पेमेंट की. तीनों पार्टनर्स को ABC को बाय टू बैंक मनी पेमेंट की है. तो पुट एयर बाय A's कैपिटल अकाउंट, बाय B's कैपिटल अकाउंट एंड बाय C's कैपिटल अकाउंट. ये पेमेंट की 4868. नेक्स्ट 4651 देन 2651. ये हमने तीनों पेमेंट्स की. और इसके बाद आता है लास्ट में हमने लोन, जो बी का लोन था, हमने लोन अकाउंट को पेमेंट किया था. ये पुट दिस वैल्यू ऑल्सो हेयर. बाय B's लोन अकाउंट अमाउंट है 13,200. Now make the total of both the sides. This is 45,670. On this side you have to make the total of this. This also comes 45,670. In this way this question will be completed now.